everyone, welcome to Susy Vlog. Tara guys, punta tayo sa Jalan Perkasa, Taman Mallory, ha? No. Mag-attend tayo ng orientation sa OWA guys. Ayan, medyo traffic. OTW, go to Taman Perkasa for orientation sa OWA guys, kasi kailangan ngayon natin mag-orientation sa OWA for first contract to my new employer guys. Ayan, traffic. Yeah, uncle? Sorry? Kuya? Berembang, maybe when my boss coming, I go back na.